Miss Richmond asserts with conviction that Mr. Griffin is not the biological father of her daughter, despite their shared history. This declaration not only ignites a contentious legal battle over paternity, but also underscores the emotional stakes involved. In a candid admission, Mr. Griffin acknowledges that his 2-year affair was a deliberate choice rather than an unintentional lapse in judgment. This revelation sheds light on the intricate dynamics of infidelity and raises questions about trust and commitment in relationships. The daughter, Leisha, embarks on an introspective journey, grappling with her sense of identity amid the complexities of family relationships that arose from the affair. This narrative powerfully illustrates the profound personal ramifications of hidden familial truths. The significance of DNA testing emerges prominently in this discourse, as it provides crucial clarity in convoluted family situations and addresses lingering uncertainties regarding paternity. The emotional ramifications of this testing can profoundly shape the well-being of those involved. As the discussion progresses, it navigates through the theme of loss and the intricate ways grief intertwines with familial bonds. Such experiences not only complicate relationships but also evoke a spectrum of emotions, including guilt and a deep-seated longing. Delving deeper, the conversation highlights the burdens associated with unresolved paternity disputes, demonstrating how they can stifle personal healing and impede emotional growth. The unresolved nature of these issues leaves a lasting impact on one's capacity to progress. Mr. Griffin's medical history raises pertinent questions about his fertility, casting doubt on his potential fatherhood from the onset. This facet of the case adds a layer of complexity that challenges perceptions surrounding paternity. Miss Richmond claims to have informed Mr. Griffin about the pregnancy, yet he vehemently denied his paternity, leading to a tangled web of emotions and complicating both their relationship and the child's legal standing. The implications of signing the birth certificate are significant, as this legal act solidifies his obligations towards child support, despite existing uncertainties regarding the child's true paternity. This legal intricacy underscores the weight of familial commitments. The narrative transitions to a mother's struggle to secure paternity proof for her child while navigating the pressures of financial responsibilities and emotional connections. This situation deepens the understanding of parental obligations amid complex relational dynamics. A young man named Dallas finds himself confronting the challenging landscape of his identity amidst potential revelations of a different biological father. His experience serves as a poignant example of the emotional turbulence children may face in similar predicaments. The court's involvement in resolving paternity disputes highlights the substantial legal complexities intertwined with family relationships, particularly regarding obligations like child support. This reality emphasizes the crucial need for legal clarity within familial contexts. The absence of paternal guidance emerges as a pressing concern, resulting in emotional hardships that leave individuals feeling disoriented and disconnected from their identities. Such deficiencies often exacerbate existing familial tensions. Moreover, the intricacies of family ties are further complicated by misunderstandings and emotional rifts, particularly those manifesting between mothers and daughters. These conflicts cultivate profound feelings of inadequacy, leading to long-lasting impacts. The quest for understanding parental identity frequently entails reconciling various relationships, a process fraught with confusion and emotional distress. This journey not only unravels hidden aspects of one's heritage, but also illuminates complex family dynamics. The influence of social media cannot be overlooked, as it often exacerbates tensions and miscommunications among family members. This digital dynamic frequently culminates in public confrontations and significant emotional consequences. As paternity testing is introduced, it brings forth a wave of uncertainty and anxiety, compelling individuals to confront potential outcomes and their subsequent implications on family ties. The urgency to establish identity and belonging becomes increasingly critical. In navigating these complex situations, the necessity for open dialogue and emotional support within families becomes paramount. Such communication fosters healing and understanding, essential for mending fractured relationships. Miss Cochran contends that Mr. Birch is evading his responsibilities as a father to circumvent child support obligations. thereby illuminating the emotional strife entwined in their situation. The nature of Mr. Birch's extended relationship with Miss Cochrane is hotly debated. While he frames it as a mere friends with benefits arrangement, she perceives it as evolving into a more substantial connection. This difference in perspective complicates their dynamic. The discussions reveal further complications arising from Mr. Birch's entanglements with other women, raising critical questions about commitment and integrity within the relationship. Such issues significantly impact the legal discussions at hand. A witness recounts an affair, drawing attention to the emotional chaos engendered by multiple partners and its repercussions on paternity. This complexity heightens the ongoing legal dispute, further muddling the situation. A calendar introduced as evidence serves to delineate intimate encounters, showcasing efforts to obscure incidents of infidelity. This element adds a layer of authenticity to the testimonies presented during the trial. The courtroom hears poignant testimony from a friend who confirms the instances of emotional manipulation witnessed within the mother's life. This input sheds light on the intricate dynamics of their relationships and significantly impacts perceptions of paternal accountability. The untimely accidental passing of the father on a tugboat introduces complexities regarding the distribution of settlements and overall family dynamics. The details surrounding his death certificate become pivotal to the unfolding claims. Legal intricacies emerge concerning name changes and their subsequent impact on Social Security benefits, reflecting the financial hardships that the family navigated during this tumultuous period. Emotional tensions surface as family members engage in reflective discussions about past relationships and cherished memories. The feelings of betrayal and misunderstanding unveil deeper fractures within the family structure. Jealousy emerges as a potent force, stirring accusations and fostering mistrust among family members. Such dynamics complicate the grieving process, often fraying the bonds that hold families together. The absence of treasured family memories can resonate profoundly, especially when childhood mementos and connections are kept away. This withholding fosters a sense of loss and attachment within familial relationships. DNA testing reemerges as a crucial mechanism for unveiling concealed family connections, illuminating long-standing disputes that have persisted. The resulting revelations can either pave the way for healing or exacerbate existing familial challenges. The narrative encapsulates the emotional turmoil surrounding a father's quest to validate his paternity, revealing the internal struggles of denial alongside a profound yearning for acknowledgement. Mr. Evans shares an animated account of his encounter with Miss Snyder, emphasizing the unexpected trajectory of their relationship and the complexities that subsequently arose. Conversations unfold around the multifaceted nature of intimate relationships, particularly when entwined with multiple partners, leading to far-reaching consequences stemming from unprotected encounters. The court's inquiry exposes contradictions in statements provided by another man who asserts he utilized protection and believes he is not Laney's father. This conflicting narrative adds another layer of complexity to the ongoing case. Miss Snyder acknowledges her involvement with another man but maintains that Mr. Evans is the biological father based on her timeline and the protective measures in place during their intimate moments, showcasing the intricate web of relationships involved. In the end, DNA results reveal that Mr. Evans is not Laney's biological father, prompting Miss Snyder to reflect on the profound implications of her past actions and the intricate nature of her relationships.